everyone, wanted to share with you two items that I got yesterday and today. So today, well, let's show what I got yesterday. So yesterday I got these bows. I had seen a video from Erica, Scrap Diva 29. She had shared these in one of her videos, and I almost actually thought these got lost because it took about 2 months for me to get these, but I'm glad they're here. So these are these really nice embellishment bows. You can use them as an embellishment or make a charm with it because there's like a hole in the center of the bow. And it comes in a pack of 50. I got 2 packs of them. And it doesn't come with this case. This case was from my stash, but you can see the different colors that it comes in, and they're really pretty. So that's that one. This one I got today. I ordered this from Amazon. It's a kit. So basically you get 50 of these dome stickers that are meant for the bottle caps and the pendant trays, but I'm going to use my 1-inch flare buttons. So you get 6 colors of the bottle cap, so you get 30 total. So it comes in black, it comes in the orange, which these 2 colors will be perfect for Halloween. And the holes are pre-punched. You can see that. So you just need to add a jump ring. And then you get the green, which is perfect for Christmas, and also the red. So this was a perfect kit because I like the color combination they had in here. And then you have the yellow, which actually is good for fall. And then blue you can use whenever. You can use this for Christmas too. So again, you get 5 of each, and there's 6 colors total. And then you get these silver metal pendant trays, and these are also 25 millimeter. So you could see it fits nicely, the 1-inch flare. So you get 10 of these, and then you get 2 each of these pendants, and these are also 25 millimeter, and it also fits perfectly, the 1-inch flare. So you get 2 in the black, you get 2 of the red bronze, you get 2 of the bronze. So you just need to add a jump ring, 2 in the gold, and then 2 in the light rose gold. So there's 5 different colors. So there's 10 total. So I will put the link to both of these down below. And thanks everyone for watching. Bye.